Hi, good morning. Let's start with the problem topic of this particular session. That's reciprocal rate calculation. Let's look into the calculation part here. 1 euro equals US dollar 0.8420. So here you want to calculate what will be the value of 1 US dollar in terms of euro. Then you can do the reciprocal rate calculation here. $1 equals 1 divided by 0.8420. You get 1.1876 euro. So this is known as reciprocal rate. The value of 1 euro in terms of variable units of dollars are given, and you just want to calculate the value of 1 US dollar in terms of euros. Just do the reciprocal rate of that. You will get the value. This is the method of calculation. Just like that, it's very simple. Just like that, you can do the second calculation. 1 pound equals US dollar 1.4565. And what is the value of 1 US dollar in terms of pound? Very simple. Reciprocal of that. 1 divided by 1.4565, you will get 0.6865 pound. So this is the value of 1 US dollar in terms of pound. So the reciprocal of that currency will give you the value. Just like that, the third question, New Zealand dollar 1 equals US dollar 0.4250. What is the value of 1 US dollar? Very simple. 1 divided by 0.4250. That much of New Zealand dollars. That's the value of 1 US dollar. So this is very simple calculation. It's value of one currency in terms of variable units of B currency is given. What is the value of 1 unit of B currency in terms of variable units of A currency, which you can calculate by way of doing the reciprocal rate calculation. 1 divided by that is known as reciprocal rate. Let's look into the next calculation part. That's cross rate calculation. What is cross rate calculation? 3 rates are given here. $1 equals yen 123.25. 1 pound equals US dollar 1.4560. Australian dollar equals US dollar 0.5420. And you want to calculate the cross rate for pound in yen terms. So pound and yen, both currencies relation you want to calculate. And here pound is given in the second quotation and yen is given in the first quotation. So you are comparing these two pairs of currencies. Okay, so you want to calculate the value of 1 pound in terms of 1 pound in terms of yen. 1 pound in terms of yen. What do you do for that? 1 pound equals how many yen? So you just do the multiplication between these two. 123.25 into 1.4560. You will get how many yen? That's 179.45 yen. You will get the calculation like this. And just like that, the second question, calculate the cross rate for Australian dollars in yen terms. Australian dollar is given in the third quotation, yen is given in the first quotation. So the question is, what is the value of 1 Australian dollar in terms of Japanese yen? So how do you make the calculation? It's very simple. You're comparing the first quotation and third quotation. You do the multiplication between these two, 123.25 into 0.5420. You will get the value of 1 Australian dollar in terms of yen. 0.5420 into 123.25. You will get 66.80 yen. This is the method of cross rate calculation. Let's look into the next one, that is related to forward rate calculation. So you know that what is forward rate and what is spot rate. There are two rates prevailing in the foreign exchange market. One is spot rate and second one is forward rate. So in the forward market, the quotes may not be given directly. So there are some pips or points will be given in the forward market. So from these pips and points, you can calculate the forward rate. So here the question is, from the pips and points, calculate the forward rate for 1 month contract, 3 month contract and 6 month contract. That's the question given here. Let's look into the spot rate. In spot rate, there are two rates given, 5.2321, that's known as the bid rate, and this 2340 is known as the ask rate. 5.2340 is known as the ask rate. So there are two rates in spot market which you want to understand. One is known as bid rate and second one is ask rate. And from 1 month, 3 month and 6 month contracts, points are given. So there is a principle in calculating the forward rate. Let's look into that principle. What is that? The 1 month contract, the first pip is greater than second pip. The first pip is greater than second pip. Deduct the pips from spot rate to get the forward rate. That's the principle. The first pip is smaller than second pip. Add the pips with spot rate to get the forward rate. That's a simple principle to calculate the forward rate from spot rate and pips. Let's look into the 1 month bid rate. 1 month bid rate, this is given 2.5. So instead of writing 2.5, what do you do? Just do the 4 decimal calculation, that's 0.0025. We will convert it like this. And this one you will convert like this, 0.0020. Because this is given in 4 decimals. So this one also should be given in 4 decimals. So you are converting it. And the first pip is greater than second pip. The principle is deduct the pips from spot rate. So you want to calculate 1 month bid rate in forward market. So 1 month bid rate equals 5.2321 minus 0.0025. That's the principle. And second one, 1 month ask rate you want to calculate. So 5.2340 minus 0.0020. So why you deduct? What's the principle? The first pip is greater than second pip. Deduct the pips from spot rate to get the forward rate. That's why we are deducting, and we are getting the 1 month bid rate in the forward market and 1 month ask rate in the forward market by way of this deduction. Just like that, in 3 month contract, the same principle is applying. First pip is greater than second pip. So deduct the pips from spot rate to get the forward rate. 5.2321 minus 0.0040. You will get that. 5.2340 minus 0.0032. You will get the 3 month ask rate also. So the same principle is applying here. In 6 month contract, it's slightly different. What is that? 20 is smaller than 25. So add the pips with spot rate to get the forward rate. So 5.2321 plus 0.0020 gives you the 6 month bid, and 5.2340 plus 0.0025, that is 6 month ask. So this is the method you can calculate the bid rate and ask rate in the forward market. What is the principle here? The principle is very simple. The 1 month pips are given. 1 month pip, first pip is greater than second pip. Deduct the pips from spot rate to get the forward rate. And first pip is smaller than second pip. Add the pips with spot rate to get the forward rate. That's the principle of calculating forward rate. Thank you.